Okay, hopefully you can see down here. Right there is the bar. Wow, it's hard to show. Okay, right here is where the bar has plenty of space. Here's the shock, and I guess this is a stabilizer bar, but as you can see, I can put my finger between there. Okay, so now, and I'll shine a light so you can see better. Okay, so there's that. Now I'll show you the other side. I have to get out. That isn't fun. Okay. Okay, now, when you look up there, as you can see, the bar is actually touching the shock. And when you sit down, that pushes that bottom part of the shock up on the black bar. So, what do I do about that? It is tight down there, it's tight on both sides, so how are you going to move the bar over? Can you help me out on that? Okay, that's it on this. Hopefully we can figure out an answer. Let me see if I can get closer. Yeah, see? You can see right there the bar's touching. I don't know what to do. Okay, that's it.